They said it was fight at the pool party. They said it was liquor and bitch in his fight at the pool party.
Jump in the pool. Okay, you ready? Yeah. That's what happened, man. I went to the. I ran into this ugly ass, love fish ass, suburb baby. Okay? Once I went there, he got mad